Hey y'all, welcome to my birthday vlog. So, it's my birthday and we are gonna be getting ready. Nothing too much, we're just keeping it simple like always. We're not doing anything too extravagant. So basically, I'm just preparing for the day where I turn. Beep that out. Okay, so I'm getting a little age sensitive right now. So I'm just gonna be narrating like how my birthday went and what I did. So basically, got my eyebrows done. Like Andre did my eyebrows and he did them perfectly, and they looked really cute. And this is basically like a DIY get ready with me for my birthday because I basically did everything myself. Yeah, like I said, we're keeping it simple, nothing too much, nothing too extra. Yeah, so after my eyebrows, I went ahead and washed my hair. I had to wash my hair, like my birthday and I couldn't catch my dirty hair, like come on. So I washed my hair, I blowed it out and basically just moisturized it a little bit. Yeah, not a little bit, I moisturized my hair, right? Okay, so my hair is not dry. It's not dry. So I moisturized my hair, blowed it out, then I moved on to the styling process. So for this style, as you can see, I did some twists, and this style I've been doing for the past few weeks, so it's not really anything new. But this time for my birthday, I did them way shorter. So yeah, I didn't want any long hair for my birthday and all that. I wanted to go short. So the little short hairstyle with our braids, like we did some really short twists. And you guys, I must say this hairstyle, it turned out really nice. I really didn't expect it to turn out this good because normally whenever I have something important coming up and I am the one responsible for doing everything for myself, I tend to mess up and everything just goes so awfully. But it didn't turn out bad. And yeah, my hair actually looked presentable. I liked it, so that's all that matters. If I didn't like it, no, then there would be a problem because when I like how my hair look, right? But I liked it. So moving on from my hair, you guys, I did my toes. I haven't done my toes in so long. Like, I feel like it's been 2 years or a year or so since I did my toes. Like, I just don't like putting nail polish on my toes because it's just not my thing. But I did and it actually didn't turn out bad either. It looked really cute. So I did something like a little French tip, which I have never done before. French tippy, right? But they were really cute. I actually like them. Moving on, you guys, this video is gonna be really short, but pause. Let's pause. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button, turn your post notification. Take two. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kalia. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, if you do subscribe, just make sure you have your post notifications turned on. Let's get back into the video. Let's right. So after I did my toes, I went ahead, you guys, and did my nails. This was the next day. I think, yeah, this was the next day because I felt a little tired. So I was like, let me just do my nails the next day. And you guys, this was the only thing that I didn't really like, my nails, because as you can see, it's like a day after my birthday and they redid them. They're basically press-ons. So yes, I did press-ons for my birthday because that's basically all I've been wearing. Like, I'm gonna get into acrylic real soon, but I'm taking my time. So I did some little thing right there with the with the gel polish. So I tried to do some stars on some fingers, and the other finger was like a little see-through moment. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, you guys get it, just you guys will see it. But to be honest, you guys, I didn't really like how they looked, and they kept on popping off. Further down in the video, you guys will see that. But yeah, I did my nails and everything. They looked cute for the moment. I just decided not to let that spoil my birthday because it's my birthday. Let's just keep it 100 Kelly. I don't let because that's something you do. You feel upset about how your birthday turned out. So yeah, you guys. So I did my nails, and then it was finally my birthday. Girl turned 22. I turned 22. Beep that out. Beep that out. Right. So yeah, me and Andre, we had to go in the town. He needed to get a shirt for him to wear because we wanted to take pictures, and I had to go get a marina because that is the outfit that I planned. Like I said, I kept it very simple. So I had this cargo shorts. I had this cargo shorts on with a white marina, and basically I just got like a real small marina. Well, I wear small and everything, so yeah, but it fitted really tight, so I could make it into a crop top because originally I was gonna cut it, but I didn't have to because it's crunched up and it just looked so cute. Like, I'll show you guys pictures. Insert pictures. Yeah, insert pictures. Right, so my outfit was pretty cute, and I had bought some Nike socks as well to go with the outfit. So my Nike socks and some pink shoes, and I just busted out the Steve Madden tote bag. I don't know, did I show you guys that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this birthday vlog was a mess because we ended up having to rush because it was getting late, and we really wanted, oh my goodness, I am such a terrible narrator. So basically, for my birthday, we are going to the beach. Yeah, we were going to the beach because we haven't been to the beach in a while. And you guys, last time I went to the beach, the white marina top, my army shorts, whatever you call those, I don't remember. Yeah, my army shorts looking thing. Yeah, some white Nike socks and my Air Max, my pink Air Max shoes. Yeah, so it was really, really cute. I felt good, so I knew that I looked good. Like, even if I look good in nobody else's eyes, I knew that I looked good in my eyes, and I just love that for me. It's 2024. It's time to stop caring what other people think about you. Like, stop it. But for really, guys, it's time for us to really stop caring what other people think about us, because it's not important. Like, people are gonna perceive us how they want to perceive us. People are gonna see us how they want to see us. You can't control people's perception of you. You can try, but it's never gonna work, in my opinion, because people, them just are gonna see you how they want to see you. Some people, them just see and don't like you and just want to hate upon you, so you can't really do anything about that. So just stop caring what people think and just go about your business. Take your own advice. Yeah, so moving on, we were at the beach. Like I said, I didn't really get to vlog that much, you guys, because we were rushing kind of. So we arrived at the beach around like 3 and it closed around 4. But thank goodness they went overtime, so I think we left around maybe 6 or 5:30 or something. I'm not sure, I didn't really look at the time, but we spent a good amount of time there. So we basically got lunch. I got pizza. Yeah, so we went to Pizza Hut and we got a pepperoni pizza and some drinks, and Andrew bought champagne and we popped champagne. Yes. Yeah, but it was a good vibe for the most part. I'm just happy that I lived to see this age. I lived to see another birthday. I'm super, super grateful for that. and I am happy that we went somewhere, because Andre, his birthday is in August as well. His birthday was August 7th, so I was just like, we're gonna celebrate both our birthdays together. Yeah, we were at the beach. We had a grand time. I didn't vlog much because we just ate and then we went back in the water, because when that time hot, water felt really, really good, you guys. Really, really, really good. So that was great. And yeah. We came back home with the intention of making something, like cooking, because I wanted to make cupcakes. I've been wanting to make cupcakes for so long, you guys. Our oven is not working. I'm brand new stove, and the oven now work. I wanted baked chicken for one. I wanted to do baked chicken, and I wanted to bake my cupcakes. Me and Andre were going to bake cupcakes, but the oven was not working, so we literally couldn't get to do anything. And yeah, that basically sums up my birthday vlog, you guys. So right, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a little thumbs up, hit the like button, hit it, like. Okay, so just if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye, guys.